I didn't learn the correct ways to cut fruit until I was 27. The last one is truly magical. 1. Cut off both ends of the kiwi, insert a spoon, and twist it to remove the flesh. It's so satisfying to eat it this way. 2. For pineapple, remove the top and bottom, then slice it in half. Make several crosscuts along the texture, then several vertical cuts. This way of eating pineapple is clean and hygienic. 3. For mango, draw a circle around the middle, twist the two halves, and the mango comes out. You can then scoop it out with a spoon. 4. Cut the top of the pomegranate into a square shape, then peel it open to find the divisions. Cut along them and then tear away the white membrane. Take a spoon and start knocking, and soon you'll have whole pomegranate seeds. 5. For oranges, remove the top and bottom, make a vertical cut, then slice it piece by piece and spread it out. This way, you won't get your face sticky while eating. 6. For grapefruit, remove the top and bottom, peel off the skin, cut it in half and then cross-cut it. Break it open, and you'll have a perfect, skinless grapefruit. It's not only good-looking but also delicious. If you haven't mastered these yet, save the video and learn slowly.